Introducing the 2019 Suzuki Sx4 S-Cross 1.0 Boosterjet SZ4 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback is fueled by a powerful 1-litre petrol engine paired with a manual transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, satellite navigation and electric folding mirrors, this vehicle ensures a luxurious experience. With top-notch safety features including ABS, multiple airbags and traction control, peace of mind is guaranteed on every journey. The stylish exterior is complemented by chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails. Stop and start system and tyre repair kit add convenience to your drive. Fully inspected, serviced and covered by a comprehensive warranty, this Suzuki Sx4 S-Cross is a steal. Contact us at windsor.ie to schedule a test drive today.